Okay, so we're doing a dry creek bed next. Starting from here, we're gonna get the water that's gonna run into here, catch basin. So they don't really have much of a wash area. This is mostly for cosmetic. Normally I would put a weed fabric down first, but this side is basically full shade and they never get any weeds over here. So I'm just gonna do basically rock on direct dirt. And I told them about every 2 years we have to come back out and lift some of the rocks up and pressure wash them and clean them. Even with weed fabric, you got to do that too. So I didn't see the sense in charging them the extra money for the weed fabric because they don't need it. So anyways, we're gonna dig it out. It's gonna be a narrower creek bed going up to here, up to that part there, and make it look pretty. So how I do mine is I put the big ones on the outside and the small ones in the middle. Then we're going to come back and fill in the holes with smaller ones. So the idea of this is basically it wasn't really causing a wash issue. They just wanted more for cosmetic decoration. There is water running down through this bank, but it wasn't causing any erosion. Because all their gutters are piped off correctly. But we're basically making this look pretty, and there will be some water going through this, but not like some of our other jobs. If this was like a situation where it has a lot of weeds, a lot of water, we would do sometimes 2 layers of weed fabric first, and we dig it down even deeper. And this depends on the type of water you have. Some jobs we do about 4 or 5 feet wide if you have a lot of water. I've done some before there that require a lot of that. And so this one mostly just for decoration though, you know. So but we're going to finish at the top of the fence up here, and then we're going to direct the dirt going towards it, you know, where it actually will be an actual working dry creek bed. And she can add some more plants. She'll probably add some plants here later on to kind of help give the effect of a natural creek running out through here too.